guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I keep my skin looking healthy. This is the PMD Microderm Pro. First of all, can we just talk about how cute the color is? My favorite color is lavender, and this does not disappoint. I'm just going to twist the top off here and show you exactly what this does. This comes with 4 different standing discs from body and from face. It's very easy to interchange them. You just pull it off and pop on the color you want. The bigger discs are for your body and the smaller ones are for your face, and they go from light to moderate depending on what color you choose. They even give you a training disc so you can get used to the motion of using the product. Now I'm just going to take my makeup off and wash my face, and I'll show you how to use it. It has 2 different settings, slow and fast, and I recommend using the slow setting when you're first starting out. Also, make sure you're using the training disc when you first start out so you can test this on your skin before going with the higher disc. This has that vacuum-like suction that activates your skin, so you want to hold the skin taut as you stream the product upwards. Now you don't want to stay in one area too long because it is an exfoliant, so you don't want to exfoliate one area too much. This is going to exfoliate all the dead flaky skin away and just reveal your nice healthy glow underneath. And I don't know about you, but I get such dry skin in the winter time. It feels so amazing as you're doing it because you can feel it brushing away those flaky particles. And that suction helps bring blood to the surface of your skin, just making you look glowy and healthy. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but oh my god, there are so many little skin flakes from my face. It's amazing. Right after you do this, you want to get those products on your skin because it is better to absorb now that you've exfoliated all that dry skin off. So I'm going to be using the Tatcha Camellia Oil and my Tatcha Water Cream. Just look at how much more my skin is glowing and how much more healthy it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.